actually going to be doing an unboxing of a package that Jellybeet, it contacted me about a week ago and asked me if I wanted to get some items connected, and they wanted me to make a post for them, and I was like, this is a great opportunity to show you guys what I got from them, because I love doing unboxings and I know you guys love them too. But yeah, definitely excited. I did pick the items out, so I kind of know what they already, but you guys don't. So why don't you take a guess down in the comments and see if you're right. But yeah, let's get started. I'm not going to show you the other side of the box because it has my address on it and I don't want people to know where I live. So yeah, I did take the tape off because I always struggle with this and I don't have scissors, so it's tapeless, and I'm just holding it because, you know, that's how it is. But here we go. I'm super excited. There's just a piece of cardboard paper stuff, and then you get a peek of what's in there. Oh my gosh. We're gonna start with the small one first. Oh, it's a little sheepy. It's a sheep keychain, and oh my gosh, I love Amuse plushies. They are my favorite, and these are authentic Amuse plushies, which is what I like about Jellybeet so much, is they actually have authentic Rilakkuma, Amuse, and Sanrio stuff. So it's like really nice because they have it and you know it's real because there's like an authentic thing telling you about it on their website, which I will link their website down below because I love them and you should go check them out because they're amazing. But here is this little sheepy. Oh my gosh, I wanted a keychain for my bag and she's just adorable. She is very fluffy and fleecy. These are Hitsuji no Wooly, and there's a keychain. Just so you guys know, if you want to get it, she's adorable and she's pretty big actually. She's like, I want to say like a softball, if you've ever seen a softball. That's what she looks like. She's like as round as a softball. She kind of matches my alpaca here, back here, which, as you know, I have a ton of alpacas. But yes, I love sheeps and I love alpacas, so I love them. And love her. She's adorable. Look at her face. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Got so excited when I seen this because I've never seen a yellow alpaca other than just like touches of yellow, because I have a yellow one back here too. That's Slushy. Little guy. Oh my gosh. Look at his face. It's just so cute and lovable, and this is the medium-sized alpaca, which I don't have one. He is the cutest little thing in the world. Look at him. Here's his tag. Alpaca. And yeah, so cute. His feet are adorable. As you can tell, he's a cutie. I love his little bow here. It's adorable. It's like the cutest like color combination ever. That's why I liked him so much. It was like, he's so bright and happy looking, and oh my god, look at his face, so cute. And oh, he's gonna look great on my bed next to my other alpacas. But yes, there he is. Now you know what he looks like on their website if you want one for yourself. I don't know if this is authentic, so don't take my word on it. Do your research first, because I don't know what collection he's from. And I know I've seen one like this before on like Tokyo Otaku Mode, so I'm not sure which one. Maybe like a garden theme or something, because I do remember him, but I don't remember him. It makes any sense. But yes, check them out because they're awesome, and I think you'll like all their stuff, especially the Rilakkuma stuff, which is really nice. And they also have what is that one I got before? It's like cats. They're like cats, but yeah, definitely check them out. They have adorable stuff and they are amazing. I follow them on Instagram, so wait for the post, and I will be posting a little post on these two little guys. And yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and there's definitely more to come. Like I said, I've been trying so hard to feel better. It's just really hard to do that, and yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out because I'm trying to get verified so I can start monetizing my videos and kind of making a little bit on it. Not like I'm gonna make that much on them, but it would be like awesome if you guys could support me in that way. And then I will put my links to my Patreon, my Ko-fi, and my Instagram down below. So if you want to give it a follow or become a Patreon person, you can do that in the bio. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video because I had a lot of fun making it, and I'll see you around. Bye!